prophets are very incredible people. Allah Azza wa Jal chose them to be men. Why? Allah only knows, subhanahu wa ta'ala. There are no female prophets. It cannot be. Because it was declared by Allah a long time ago, before we all existed, that prophets are men. Subhanak ya Rabbil Alameen. Maybe because they're going to go through trials that maybe women cannot endure. Maybe, I don't know. It's in Allah's wisdom that He knows, subhanahu wa ta'ala. Prophets throughout the history of man are a lot. A lot. How many? A lot. How many in the Quran? In the Quran, we have only 25 of them. Only. Then we only have 25 in the history of mankind. No, actually we don't. And Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said that there are 124,000 prophets. 124,000 prophets. How come you only told us about 25? Why didn't you mention the others? Because what's the purpose of the Quran? It's guidance. Why would Allah put any information in the Quran unless it's supposed to do what? Guide me. So if Allah keeps out some information, He doesn't put it in the Quran, why is that? Why is that? Why do you think? Some information He did not put. Why? It's not important? But I'm so curious. I really want to know. What's her name? Did she marry Sulaiman Balqis? I really want to know. You know Sulaiman alayhi salam? Right? Did she marry him? Did they have children? I'm so curious. How old was she? Was she like 25, 36? Was she blonde? Anything. I just want to know anything. Does any scholar say anything anywhere? They start looking for books other than the Quran, just to find more information other than what Allah said, subhanahu wa ta'ala. He only mentions in the Quran, and this is very important. We have a lot to cover, by the way. We have a lot to cover. Because this is fundamentally, your Islam lies on this. Your whole understanding of, I just told you, the purpose of prophets is to teach you what Allah wants. So if you don't know, and you don't really understand, and you don't grasp the whole information revealed to us about the prophets, then you have a fundamental problem with what? With Allah. With Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. All the stories mentioned in the Quran are for a purpose. Every single word, every single letter in the Quran, every letter is chosen carefully by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So when He wants us to learn 25 prophets, that's all He wants us to learn. Why? I don't need to know more information. Just a small remark regarding this point. You know, when you're having chai with your BFF in the morning, and you're talking about the second BFF that did not come, but you're backbiting her for being nasty and stuff, it's okay. When she comes, you can kiss her and just make up. But when you're having your chai and you're discussing whatever about life, and then you want to share a story. Purpose of the story that you want to share is about 2 sentences. To say the 2 sentences, you speak for about 15 minutes before of blah, blah, blah. 3 years ago, I met what's her name, and then by the 4th week, and then you just give you just talk about so many unnecessary information. You just blabber words continuously to mention your 2-sentence point. That's it. And then after that, you just keep on talking for another 15 minutes. And if you want to filter what you spoke about, actually what you wanted to say was, I like your dress, where did you get it from? And you just gave that long speech, and you just went through hills, and you went back 15 years back, and then when you were fat, and then you lost weight, and then you liked the color purple, and then you changed, but now I like green. Where did you get it from? So why did you tell me all that information before? Because we, as I don't know, I was going to say Arabs, but then I realized it's not an Arabic thing. It's everywhere. We just like to speak. Allah doesn't do that. He tells us exactly what we need to know. No more, no less. Subhanak ya Rabbil Alameen.